Hello and welcome. I'm Harriet Muller and today we're going to be doing a super easy how to draw a great white shark. So what you're going to need is some plain white paper, black pen, pencil and an eraser. So let's get started. So we're going to start off with just doing the angle of the shark. So if you just go from about here on the left hand side of your paper to about here, just draw a really rough line. There we go. Mine's really wiggly, but it just gives me a sense of the direction in which the shark's going. So next we're going to be doing an oval shape. So just draw an oval shape roughly in the middle of the line. There we go. Now on either side we're going to be drawing a shape that goes down like that. And then the same on the other side. Make this really, really light and very rough. And then we're just going to do a triangle at the bottom. There we go for the tail. And then another triangle about here for one of the fins. Okay, now we're going to get serious and we're going to do a little bit more detail. So we're going to get the actual shape of the shark right. So I'm just going to add 3 lines roughly in the middle, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do another fin down here. There we go. And then we're going to do one roughly on the other side. Okay, it's starting to take shape now. So for the head, this is going to be the part which we'll pay most attention to. Just bring it round, we'll do the back, and that goes into the fin at the top of the shark. Bring it round, there we go, and then it'll come down, like so, just round there. Okay, now the head again. Right, so the mouth is very important. Just bring it round and we're going to do a shape like an unhappy face. So it tilts downwards. There we go. And then the lower lip. And then just bring it all the way around. There we go. All the way around here. Then we're going to have 2 more little fins. One here. And then one on the other side. I'm going to perfect this fin here. There we go. Okay, I'm going to draw the eye now. So just towards the top of the shark, just draw a little eye like that. And then we're going to make the nose slightly longer. And very, very slightly upward pointing. Okay, now we're going to go over it in pen. Okay, so taking your pen, we're going to focus on the tail. So we're just going to make this slightly more curved, out like so, and just bring it in slightly, and then the same on the other side. So curved, and then bring it in like that. Okay, and then we're going to just follow what we did before. There we go, the famous shark's fin at the top, and then bring it round all the way to the top, to the nose area. Colour in the eye, and then give the shark a little nose down there. Bring it round. Remember to draw all the teeth inside. Do lots of jagged teeth and a few on the top. And then we can see the other side of the mouth, so we're just going to colour that in black. Just like so. Don't colour in the teeth. Leave those visible. There we go. Now, bring it round. All the way around the bottom fin. The other bottom fin on this side with 3 lines. gills. And then we're going to bring it round and we're going to do the other bottom fin. And then this one. And all that you need to do now is to rub it all out. So here's your finished great white shark. This was a special request for Nikki, so I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing and liking, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye bye.